Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, you'll learn how you can style the ultimate kawaii look in DTI. How you can make this Lolita realness in DTI. So if you want to know how to get this look, let me show you the steps. So for the hair, I'm using these three hairstyles. These two are from the curly hair category, and this one from the bangs category, and I'm using this blonde color for it. And now let's just go to here to the women's section. First, I'm going to put on this dress, but here I'm going to only use the skirt, so two pleats into skirt 2. And here I'm using this soft pink color and white. And don't forget to make it silky, so change the material into silk. And I'm going to also put on this sleeve, use the same soft pink color combined with white. Okay, and from here I'm going to put on this stockings and make the color white like this. And now let's just go to the fitting room, but first let me put on this hat for Lolita, this one in here, and change the soft pink color to this color to match with the dress. And let's put on another items in here. I'm going to put on the shoe first. First review, make it white. Second one, just go with white again, and the third one, make it soft pink and leave the color the rest of the color as it is. And here I'm going to put on these gloves also. Don't change the color, just leave it as it is, and put on the dress from the Valentine updates, this one. Two pleats into number 2 and change the color into soft pink combine. So just go with the soft pink. And now I'm going to put on this top in here. I'm going to just use the color and change the color into white and soft pink. So for the bow, the ribbon, make it white, and the color, make it soft pink. Don't forget to also change the material into silk, so it will look the same. And now the look is done. So this is the Lolita look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.